Water always seems to find its way into a building, and once inside, the damage it can do only accelerates. Having confidence that your structures are actually waterproof is the first step to tackling all of your other facility management tasks. In addition to our expert pavement maintenance services, Pavecon has also developed an expertise in waterproofing building exteriors, which allows for true peace of mind. Our process starts with a water leak inspection. With painstaking attention to detail, we'll find each and every leak, so we can form an action plan to ensure that water can't find a path inside your building. Taking care of the exterior facade of your building with waterproofing also has positive cosmetic side effects, since the materials we use serve a dual purpose. Cleaners and water repellent sealers allow the exterior masonry surfaces to have a uniform appearance during rains or heavy humidity conditions, rather than the splotchy, streaked appearance of untreated surfaces when wet. Acrylic and elastomeric coatings provide a waterproof treatment, which also offers the ability to refresh or change the color and appearance of all existing masonry surface facades. Pavecon is here to help you maintain your facilities hassle-free. From your parking garage to your curtain wall, we're keeping your building dry, no matter what. Connect with us today and schedule a free inspection to protect your property.